You know that we frequently talk with healthcare providers here on Delmarva Life, and one thing they all have in common is their desire to do what they can to help you live a long, happy, independent life.
Yeah, and the team at Lakeside Physical Therapy in Laurel is no exception. When you walk in the door, you're family, and you remain a part of the family long after you have healed. Well, I recently stopped by Lakeside Physical Therapy to find out why this is so important.
Up, like your elbow straight, 1 and 2.
Truth be told, Pompey Pamplona of Lakeside Physical Therapy decided to become a physical therapist so he could come to the United States from his home in the Philippines.
The two popular professions that you can come easily in the States are, one is to be a physical therapist and the other one is to become a nurse. So I picked the physical therapy one. That's why I'm here. Right, arms up. 1 and 2 and 3.
But he also can't imagine a more rewarding career.
If a patient have knee replacement or hip replacement, at first they start walking with a walker, or some of them they couldn't walk at all. They need physical help to walk. And then now you as a physical therapist, you exercise them, get them walking again. You bring them back to their feet again. And then when you see them that they're getting better, like they're walking better every day, you give them therapy. They start from a walker to a cane and progress them to be walking independently without any assistive device. And of course, you see them like getting back to normal. It's very rewarding.
We explain how to manage your knee after surgery.
These outcomes don't come by chance. They come from a commitment made by the team at Lakeside Physical Therapy to provide one-on-one treatment.
When you're here with us, you're our family. We care about you and what's going on in your life, and we want to give you the best outcome possible. So it's definitely, very personalized here.
Pompey says that's because no two patients are alike.
No, everybody, we treat them, everybody different. Some patient, they have a surgery done, in 3 weeks they get really better. And in some of them, they take 3 months. In some of the, surgery patient, they take at least a year to recover, fully recover. So everybody's different. You raise your hips up, and then higher a little bit, Joey, and then hold it for 2 seconds. 1 and 2, and then down.
Pompey says the range of services provided by the team here is wide enough to meet every patient's needs.
We have like 5 doctor in physical therapy. And each of us, we have the same or different certification. Like, for example, some of our therapists, they are certified to do a dry needling. And then some of the therapists, they are certified to do the pelvic floor program. And then some of them are the McKenzie technique. So, we have like 4 or 5 different certification, and then depending on the patient's needs.
Laser therapy is one of the latest tools the team at Lakeside Physical Therapy uses to help accelerate the healing process.
We treat different kind of pain conditions, from joint pain, muscle pain, and then from acute and chronic pains. If you have low back pain that's chronic, the laser treatment, we use them too. If you have acute back pain, we also use the laser treatment.
And just because a patient's treatment is over doesn't mean the relationship is.
We have something called a wellness program, so they can keep up with their exercises and, just keep up with their general health. And we have a lot of patients that utilize that.
So we just encourage the patient to enroll to our wellness program so that they can maintain their strength, or they can maintain their what they achieve in physical therapy, so that they don't lose it.
Lakeside Physical Therapy in Laurel is one of 4 offices across Sussex County. Since it opened in 2009, Pompey says he's seen lives change. One particular story involved a young man who was told he would never walk after a surgery to correct scoliosis.
We were just very patient, and then started with our therapy. And after 6 months, from wheelchair to walking to a walker with braces, walking with a walker without braces, walking to a cane, to the point that the patient was able to walk independently. And he was able to run again, and he was able to work again.
Do you feel just stretching here?
A success story that drives Pompey and his team to doing whatever it takes to give patients the best possible outcome.
It's a good feeling as a therapist. even the doctors and the surgeons too.